Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. And in this video, I will tell you and show you how you can hide short videos in YouTube app from a specific channel. Please friends, subscribe to our channel, put your likes under the video, also write your comments. And let us get started with you. So when you go to YouTube, you can easily go to the short videos section. And let's say friends, if you flip through and you find some video that you don't like or you don't want to see such videos in your recommendations, then you'll need to click on the three dots at the top. From the menu that you will get, choose not to recommend this channel. In this way, friends, more videos from this channel will not bother you. And this, in turn, will also affect the recommendations that you will further have on YouTube. This is the way, friends, you can easily hide short YouTube videos from a particular channel. I really hope this video helped you and was useful to you. Please put your likes under the video, write comments, subscribe to our channel, and see you soon.